Village birds, you see, they're flying. Oh, piece of nature. You see my village. How much beautiful. My village is my life. My dear friends, you see a beautiful red colored cow is grazing in the village forest. You see village forest and the cows. See a beautiful bird. You see. You can see my village and my village side. The cows are going. Yes, the Indian Sheron. Beautiful sceneries of my village. You see the cows are grazing. What in India, the buffaloes are bathing in small water in my compound. You see. Morning cows of my village in the village forest. They are grazing. You see the beauties of my village. Baby pigs, you see the shining baby pigs in my village side. You see, you enjoy the Indian black pigs. Also, see a goat is grazing with the lambs. You see, black-faced monkey on my guava tree branches. You see, looking. You see the bull, the village bull, and the village forest. You can see the beauties of my village.